Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this digital soldering station, the model PLSD 60C3 from Parkside. Universal soldering station for electronics, model making and a variety of other hobbies. Temperature range from 200 to 480 degrees Celsius, heating time 2 minutes to 480 degrees Celsius, rated power 60 watts, accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The power cord, it is 1.5 meters, enough. And this one, it is another 1.5 meters. And of course included we have the manual. Is equipped with 60 watt soldering iron, offering fast heating and efficient performance. This ensures the tip heats up quickly to the desired temperature, minimizing downtime. We have the soldering tip with pointed head, retaining nut. You can remove that and you can replace this tip. We have another tip here, soldering tip with flat head and two pointed tips. Now this is the newest model. Compared to the oldest model, definitely we have huge differences at the design. You can check the video for the oldest model right in the corner after the end of this video. The soldering iron itself has an ergonomic handle for comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. Soft element here, I like that. The station comes with a soldering iron holder, providing a safe resting place for the hot iron during breaks, improving both safety and convenience. Ventilation, metal, soft pads at the base, definitely it will stay very secure. With an integrated sponge tray for tip cleaning, you can have this here. Use a double tape adhesive for permanently installation. That's how ensuring the soldering iron tip remains clean and effective during use. Keeping the tip clean helps maintain consistent heat transfer and prevents contamination of the solder joints. We have two solder included, 10 gram each, 0.8 and 1 millimeter the diameter. At this storage compartment for solder and soldering tips. I like it. Very convenient. Soft pads at the base, it will stay very secure at any surface. Let's plug it in. Let's place the soldering iron at the holder. On-off button is increasing the temperature, we can see. Set to 200 degrees Celsius. Here we can see the icon for the soldering iron. Power ups, power down, and you can increase or decrease, minimum 200. The station's digital control panel allows for quickly adjustments to the temperature with up and down buttons, or choose the 300. or 400. The LED display shows the current temperature, making it easy to monitor and adjust based on the materials you are working with. It is hot. And increasing at maximum 480 degrees Celsius. No more. Pressing this button, 0, decreasing the temperature, and if you are not going to use the soldering iron, after 2 minutes it will shut off automatically. I like it. I like the display. And on again. So let's use it and see how it works. You can use it for soldering cables. One of the key advantages of a digital soldering station is the ability to maintain consistent temperature. It's designed with excellent temperature stability, which ensures that you get consistent results without fluctuation that could damage sensitive components. And many DIY projects, of course. This digital soldering station is a highly capable and user-friendly tool for anyone needing precise, reliable soldering performance. Its digital temperature control, ergonomic design, and wide range of features makes it suitable for a variety of tasks, from intricate electronics work to large soldering jobs. Whether you are a professional or a DIY hobbyist, this soldering station provides excellent value and functionality for any soldering project. Connecting the cables together. Thanks to its high-quality ceramic heating element, the soldering iron heats up quickly to your set temperature and cools down swiftly, improving efficiency and safety. The station includes interchangeable soldering tips, allowing you to use different tip shapes for specific tasks. This is especially useful for working on various projects, from fine soldering on circuit boards to large jobs requiring broader tips. With a digital display, you can adjust the temperature from 200 to 480 degrees Celsius, allowing flexibility for different types of soldering tasks, from delicate electronics to more robust materials. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, project tips and DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay precise, keep building, and I'll catch you in the next video.